Cutting across to some breaking news coming in, an audit report has been submitted to the Indore administration suggesting that 15 deaths in the Bhagirathpura may be linked to recent outbreak of vomiting and diarrhea in the area, according to sources. The local administration has so far confirmed the deaths of 6 people due to vomiting and diarrhea caused by drinking contaminated water. However, local residents claim that 23 patients, including a 6-month-old child, has died so far due to that outbreak. Meanwhile, the leader of opposition Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is to meet the families of the Indore water tragedy victims on the 17th of January. So politics over that is heating up. Joining me now is my colleague Maushami to get us more details in a bit. But at the moment, you can see there is still politics over numbers, like we've seen in the past as well, that people did not die of COVID, people did not die of pollution. These are just severe and extreme cases that are mentioned. And similarly, people did not die of the Indore water contamination either. Maushami, my colleague, is with us. Maushami, Rahul Gandhi is waking up to that story now. What's prompting him to act now?
Of course, Rahul Gandhi is the leader of the opposition, and this issue has been raked up by the Congress party in Madhya Pradesh. They have done several protests, including the president and several MPs of Madhya Pradesh of the Congress party taking out an entire march, and this time round, Rahul Gandhi would be visiting on the 17th of January, meeting the victim members of family members of the victims who died due to the contaminated water. On the other hand, the Congress has done several press conferences here in Delhi as well. So perhaps it's a part of the entire politicking that we're seeing, that Rahul Gandhi escalating this entire issue to the double-engine ki Sarkar there, raking up that, this double-engine Sarkar at the state and the center isn't really working, and thereby, could be a very, very pertinent issue right before the budget session.
All right before the budget session over there. But Maushami, we saw that health seems to be one thing that the government has not been picking up very proactively. It could be air pollution and the health impact there, or water pollution in this case, or the health impact there as well. The opposition could not even push them to have a debate on the issue of pollution. So what, do you think will really come out of this visit that Rahul Gandhi is about to make?
So there, Rahul Gandhi making a political point as well, because this is a city that has seen the Swachh Bharat winning awards as far as the Swachh Bharat is concerned.
Cleanliness, yes, yeah. All right, we seem to be losing that signal with Maushami. We'll try and connect again, but that's the big breaking news at this point. The audit report has been submitted. There is a mismatch in numbers, like we reported earlier as well. And now Rahul Gandhi is saying that he will go and meet with the victims. The claimed number is 23. What the government is saying is just about 5. Shreya Chatterjee, my colleague, is joining us as well on the story. Shreya, the playbook here remains the same, that nobody died of air pollution, nobody died of COVID, nobody died of water contamination either. They're all saying it's vomiting and diarrhea. In the case of air pollution, they're saying lungs and pneumonia. In the case of COVID, they said sudden deaths. But none of it is related to the core issue, is it?
Well, absolutely, and these kind of audit reports coming in the public domain somewhere down the line highlights that also the cause of these deaths are often not noticed and taken into account if there is no kind of outrage on the ground. Say the Indore matter, the Bhagirathpura incident that we talk about, just because there were outrage, there's also confirmation about more deaths had at least been done. If not, these deaths would not even have been reported, sidelined, despite the fact that they are directly linked to the contamination of water. So very rightly said, we do see such reactions only when outrage is on the ground. If not, these things are quietly brushed under the carpet.